All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. Today we're not going to be inside the Remix IDE like I thought. We're just going to be doing some light reading to finish up this module of integer position. So let's check out the light reading so we can move on. So note this self.minimum USD equal as weight value with the 5 ether as parameters is just a shortcut for adding those 18 decimal places that we needed to add so our formats matched up. Yes, the minimum USD is not ether, but rather $5 worth of ether. This is why we use the as weight value function to set the minimum USD value, which will convert $5 worth of ETH into weight, which is the smallest unit of measurement in the Ethereum virtual machine or the EMV environment. Now we can say assert message dot value greater than equal to self dot minimum USD, which will compare the message dot value, which is way, to self dot minimum USD, which is also in way. Now this will ensure that the comparison is valid and will work correctly when we deploy our smart contract. In summary, we have successfully implemented integer position in our Vyper smart contract. We have gone over the concepts of integer position, text conversion or type conversion, and integer division in our Vyper. And that'll be the end of this module here. So the next module that we're going to be diving into is going to be a send a transaction with ETH. We're going to be picking that up tomorrow. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Poppy. You guys stay Gucci.